Today we're going to take a look at the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2011 and newer Jeep Compass. And on a custom fit part, I always like to recommend for you to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now this harness provides this 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer's signal lights. This is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole adapters that we do sell separately on our website. This whole harness connects very quickly and easily. Basically, you just locate your connection points behind the taillights, plug in these T connectors, one on each side, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side, and then ground your white wire, and then your black power wire just needs to run to your vehicle's battery. Now this harness does include this powered taillight converter, this black box right here. This is to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. It is a powered module, that's why it'll connect directly to your battery to avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. It is constructed using SMT technology, which is surface mount technology. This will give you more consistent, reliable performance, helps maximize your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat, and it'll ensure superior operation in any rough road conditions. If you notice on the 4-way, it does come with the nice dust cap for it. It's an integrated, so you don't lose it. And what's nice about that is when you're not plugged into your trailer, you just put your cap over the terminals and it'll protect them from any damage or from the elements. This harness is made in the USA. A few specs on it: the maximum amperage for the stop and turn light circuits is 3 amps per circuit. For the tail light circuit is 6 amps. It does come with everything shown here on the table. Has a nice set of detailed instructions that will describe how to install it with pictures on where your connection points are. But basically, when you go to install this, you just go to the rear of the vehicle, gain access behind the taillights. You want to start on the driver's side and take this T connector that has the yellow wire in it. That's for the driver's side. Go ahead and unplug your harness and then plug this in line with it. And then you have this white wire with the eyelet on it. That's your ground wire. You want to connect that to a good clean ground if there's one nearby. If there isn't, they do include this grounding screw that you can make your own ground. And then you'll take this other T connector that has the red and green in it. That green is for the passenger side, so you'll run this length of wire all the way over to the passenger side. Do the same thing, plug this in behind the taillights. Once those are all connected, your converter box right here, you do want to attach this to a good flat surface so it doesn't bounce around. So they do include this nice piece of double-faced tape that you can attach it down with. And then just run your bonded wire with your 4-way out the back towards the trailer. Your last wire is your power wire. That's this black wire right here. This is what will run to your vehicle's battery. So they do give you this length of wire to run the wire up to your vehicle's battery, and some butt connectors. So take a butt connector, put it on the power wire, and then connect it to one end of this length of wire, and then run this all the way up towards the front. Now when you get to the front, you don't want to connect this directly to the battery. You want to run this through the inline fuse holder here. So take the other butt connector, put it on that end, connect it to one side or one end of the inline fuse holder. And on the other side, you'll take this included eyelet connector, attach it, and then connect this to the battery. Once that's all connected, just pop open your fuse holder, take your included 10 amp fuse, push it into your fuse holder, put your cap on there, and your system be all ready to go. Now they do include some extra cable ties to take up any slack in the wiring. But that should do it for the review on the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.